From BUID University, this is Bashayer Habib doing a presentation about environmental waste in car services and repair garages for Dr. Hanan. We will go through introduction, research objectives, literature review, waste management challenges, case study and site visit, methodology, analysis, results, recommendations, and conclusion. Sustainability is about reducing the environmental impact of our actions, ensuring that future generations are not burdened. In the automotive industry, garages play a crucial role in promoting sustainability through effective waste management practices. In general, garage operations generate a wide range of waste, including used oils, contaminated rugs, spent batteries, plastic packaging, and more. These waste streams, if not properly managed, can lead to significant environmental pollution, impacting soil, water, and air quality. UAE, like many developing countries, is grappling with the environmental impact of automotive-related activities, including the generation of tires, batteries, automotive fluids, and motor oil waste. UAE has made various efforts to promote environmental sustainability, such as through the National Agenda and the UAE Vision 2021, but focused efforts on the automotive sector are lacking. This study aims to fill the gap by analyzing the environmental waste management practices in vehicle services and repair garage facilities within the UAE to develop targeted solutions for the automotive industry. The study objectives are assess waste management practices, identify challenges and barriers, understand stakeholder perceptions, and provide recommendations. Dotro and Victorio in 2021 wrote about significant increase in vehicle production and ownership. This rapid growth has led to corresponding rise in vehicle-related pollution and the need for sustainable repair and maintenance practices. Another study by Kumar and Alok in 2020 says that there has been a growing demand for electric and hybrid vehicles. This transition has placed new demands on garage technicians, who must adapt their skills and services to accommodate these new technologies, including the responsible management of end-of-life vehicle batteries. Slattery in 2024 mentioned that regardless of vehicle type, repair shops remain essential, serving as key entry points for end-of-life batteries and other automotive components. Van Braggen and his colleagues in 2022 says that the life cycle approach to sustainable maintenance should start in the early stages of the product life cycle, using eco-friendly materials and processes are used to reduce waste and environmental impacts. Then the regular maintenance in garages ensures vehicles have prolonged lifespan, operating effectively with minimal emissions, which extends to the useful life of the product. Another study by Dant and Bowles in 2003 describes the inherent nature of garage technicians' work in repairing and servicing vehicles. Garage technicians often work in environments that are inherently dirty. This perception can have implications for the public's understanding of the garage's role in sustainable waste management. The site selected for the current case study is in the industrial area of Sharjah, centrally located within Sharjah and therefore easily accessible. During the site visit of the location, many wastes were noticed, such as metal scrap, improper water waste, tire wastes were noticed, and improper waste disposal have seen. Why waste management is important? Because it has significant environmental impact in soil and water contamination, air pollution, resource depletion, and public health risk. This study employed a qualitative research approach to investigate the environmental impact of waste and car service and repair garage facilities. This kind of study was chosen because it can explore social phenomena like personal opinions, values, and thoughts concerning environmental impact of waste in car service. Semi-structured interviews were done to collect data, including questions about current waste management practices, barriers to implementing sustainable solutions, awareness, knowledge levels, the efficacy of existing regulations and policies, and demographic information. Themes and codes were generated to analyze the results. The waste generated by car service and repair garages in the UAE includes various types of environmental waste, each requiring careful handling and disposal. Used motor oil and lubricants are typically generated in large quantities due to frequent oil changes. The level of implementation of sustainable waste management practices varies widely across facilities. Some larger or more modern garages have made significant strides in adopting sustainable practices, such as recycling used oil, properly disposing of hazardous materials, and implementing waste reduction programs. It was concluded that financial considerations are a significant barrier to adopting sustainable waste management practices. Initial investment and ongoing costs can be excessive, especially for smaller garages. Also, another major challenge theme was the lack of knowledge and awareness about sustainable practices. Many garage owners and technicians are not fully aware of these practices or how to implement them effectively. Navigating complex regulations also poses challenges. Regulations are often seen as burden and costly, especially for smaller facilities. Waste management challenges can be summarized in improper disposal, insufficient segregation, and regulatory gaps. Recommendations include worker safety. Addressing the health and safety concerns of garage operators is crucial, as their occupation exposes them to various pollutants for extended periods. For the waste management, empowering garage operators to adopt sustainable waste management practices such as proper segregation, storage, and disposal of hazardous material. Education and training, providing comprehensive education and training programs for garage technicians on the latest sustainable practices. Finally, collaborative efforts, fostering partnerships between garages, policymakers, and environmental organizations can facilitate the development and implementation of holistic solutions that address the unique challenges faced by the automotive repair industry. Also, it is recommended to use nature-based solutions, a closed-loop wastewater treatment system, such as those incorporating floating treatment wetlands, subsurface flow constructed wetlands, and sand filtration, offering a cost-efficient and sustainable approach to addressing wastewater challenges at vehicle washing facilities. These systems can achieve substantial improvement in water quality, contributing to the circular economy and environmental preservation. In conclusion, the study highlights a diverse landscape of waste management practices within the UAE's automotive, service and repair sector. While there is progress in larger and urban facilities, significant challenges remain, particularly for smaller and rural garages. Improving awareness, providing financial incentives, enhancing infrastructure, and streamlining regulations are critical for fostering sustainable waste management practices across the industry. Addressing these barriers can contribute to a more environmentally responsible automotive sector in the UAE, balancing growth with ecological sustainability.